Schumacher courageously, daringly takes that second place away from Jean Alesi, who just at the last moment sees the Ferrari on the right, jinks to the left. Schumacher goes through, and he's right up with Villeneuve and going for the lead at Les Combes. Incredible start to the Belgian Grand Prix, and Michael Schumacher is the man. I hate to keep repeating this, but he is superlative.
You saw him there hard on the throttle. He's going up the inside of Villeneuve now. Beautiful move. Remember, Schumacher had those lesser treaded tyres. He should, if the track begins to dry, should have more grip. And boy, is he using them well. So an easy move there, really, on Villeneuve. That will have taken him completely.